How to fix Spotify queue not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you several fixes that can help to get your Spotify queue working again. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with step number one, that is to close and reopen the Spotify. So first, completely close Spotify, and after that you can just reopen the Spotify and check if the queue features is working again. And with that, moving forward to the step number two, that is to check your internet connection. So Spotify requires a stable internet connection for many features to work properly. So here, if you're using Wi-Fi or data, make sure that your connection is stable. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to reset your network connection. So here what you can do is you can just open or you can just scroll down from the corner of upper right to open your device control center or quick settings panel, and there you can just turn on the airplane mode and wait for a few seconds, and after that you can simply turn it back off and allow your device to reconnect to the network. And after that you can simply open the Spotify and test the queue again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to disable the VPN service. So here, if you're connected to any VPN service, then you can simply turn it off temporarily, because some VPN connection can interfere with Spotify features and cause playback or queue issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the Spotify. So here what you can do is you can just open the Play Store. And now here, once you're inside the Play Store, you can simply search for the Spotify app, and there, if you found any update button, then you can just tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. And once updated, you can launch Spotify and see if the issue has been resolved. And with that, moving forward to the step number 6, that is to reinstall the app. So here, if the problem continues, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Spotify app, and after that you can reinstall the app again. And here, after reinstalling, you can sign back into your account and test the queue features. And that's it. Those are some best ways to fix Spotify queue not working problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.